Yes, good afternoon. So our next topic is article. Yes. How many articles you have in English?
Three.
So what are they?
And
A, and okay. So I'm so happy. So you have three articles in English. They are A, and. You can either say call it as the or the. There is a difference in the use of it. It depends on the word where we use the sound change. So A and the. These are the three articles where they are just three, but they play a very major role in English. Okay. So like the change of these three. If I say the man, a man, there is a difference. Okay. So it brings a lot of change in the sentence and in the word where we use. Okay. So articles. So these articles are divided as definite article and indefinite article. Okay, they are divided into three. These three articles are divided into two types. One is definite and another one is indefinite. So the definite article is the, and the indefinite article is a, and. Okay. So here, first I would like to explain about the definite article, because what is the word definite means? It means sure. Yes. So when I use the article the before something, it means specific. So the definite articles always indicate something which is specific. So when I say the man in the blue shirt, okay. So when I say the man in the blue shirt, so I am very specific about the person, the man who is in the blue shirt. Okay, so I am talking about the man who is in the blue shirt. I am not talking about all the other men. It is understood in that way. So that is why it is called as definite article. Okay, and where are the other? Like this is one thing where specifically when we are talking about something we use the, and you have few rules for using definite articles. Like that is, the definite article is always used for something which is where something you have only one existence in the world, like the sky, the sun. We always say the sky, right? You never say that a sky. Okay? We always say the sky. So something which exists only one in the universe, we use the. So the sky, the sun, you have only one sun, you have only one sky, you have only one moon. Yes? So the moon, and other than this, the title of the book we always use the. We say the Ramayana. Yes? The title of the book. And for the newspaper, all the newspaper, like how it is? Can you name any newspaper? It is the Hindu. It is not just Hindu. It is the Hindu. So all the newspaper, the name of the newspaper, the Hindu, the Indian Express, the Deccan Chronicle, and whatever it is the all the newspaper name. Okay. The Business Times. You have so many. Yes. Everything starts with the. So you have to remember that when you mention about the title of the book, when you talk something which is like you have only one thing in the world, so there, and the newspaper name and the season name. Yes, the season. How do you call the season? How many seasons we have? We have 4 seasons. How will you call it? The summer. Yes. So when you talk about the season, we use the summer. It is the summer. The summer is too hot. The winter was very cold last year. Okay. So when you mention about the season, anywhere, we always use the. And the name of the deserts, the Thar, then the Sahara, then any other desert name. So name of the deserts. Okay. Name of the deserts. We use definite article. And other than that, wind names. The west wind. Okay, there are few names for winds. So if it is so, the name of the winds we use the. And after, likewise, you have something which is very particular, specific, and you have only one thing. We use definite article. That is why it is named as definite article. The use of it. An indefinite article a and an is always used with the sound. So a is used before the consonant and an is used before the vowels. Okay. So what are consonants other than a, e, I, o, u? Yes. A, e, I, o, u. Yes. So when you use an, you're not supposed to see A, E, I, O, U as letters. A, E, I, O, U, not as a letter. The sound. As I told you, indefinite article are a and an. A, like A is consonant sound, an is vowel sound, before vowel sound. Okay? So A, E, I, O, U are vowel sounds. Okay? A, E, I, O, U are just sound. Should go with the sound. Yes? So if you just see the sound, A, M, apple, apple, E, it is elephant, egg. Again, how does it sound? It does not give the sound of E. You don't have a particular E sound in English. It is A again. So this is R, apple, A, where it is full opened mouth, and it is E, where the sound is again it's egg. It is half A. Yes, like the Tamil A. The pronunciation of his A is A. Then E is egg, egg. Yes, and ice cream. Again it sounds A. And O, office, orange. Again it sounds A. Umbrella. Again it sounds A. Okay. So many of us misunderstands that any word starts with this U, you can use an. For example, university, it starts with U, but it does not sound it sounds the complete U sound. Y-O-U sound. So in that case, we are supposed to use it is a university. It is not an university. Okay. So wherever you have this U sound, you are not supposed to use and you are supposed to use consonant A. Is that clear? So A and is used with the sound of the word, and the is used to mention a specific particular thing. Okay.